How to recover the deleted posts, photos and videos on Facebook. To do that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook from Google Play Store. After opening the Facebook, now you will see an interface like this. You can see on the top right side there is a 3 vertical lines with your profile linked in, and when you tap on it, you will see an interface like this. Click on the gear button, and when you scroll down and down, you will see the option of your information, and when you tap on the download your information option, click on continue. And now just choose any one account and then click on available information and click on the download to the device, because you want the all information of the post that you have deleted. And now you can choose the data range. Choose it as you like. I will choose the last week option, and now I will create on the save button, and now tap on create files. So the information is being downloaded. Click on the done button. And this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.